Mic check. Ayan. Checking everything. Ayan, good evening ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to another episode of The Daily Grind. Magandang gabi po sa inyo. Ayan. Kumusta na ng market? We were down 0.37%. Today, 6415 po ang closing natin. We were down negative 23.86 points. And bakit ayaw mag-load ng net foreign buying sell? Do you have information of how much our net foreign yun? Let me share my screen really quick. Ayan, ayos na, diba? Maayos na. Dati kasi hindi nagsiswitch yung screen ko with the buttons that I use. Right now, it's okay already. Nakita niyo naman sa screen po dito. Itong pula na ito. Net foreign buying, the NFB/S. That's net foreign buying or selling. Pag pula yan, it's selling. If green yan, then that's net foreign buying, that meaning mas marami ang bumibili. But today, it's another red one. Ilang araw na tayong ganito. It has to be expected. And wala pa tayong magandang news kasi yan, diba? But negative 1.12 billion pesos po. Right, lumabas sa market natin sa net foreign na buying and selling natin. That's bad. Sadly, yan, ganun ang market eh. Wala pa tayo sa rally, wala pa tayo sa what do you call this? Wala pa tayo sa bullish na side ng market. Has been like this for the past few weeks, months even. So that's sad, but we can't do anything about it. Ganun talaga ang market eh. It is what it is. All we can do is technically react. So, ayun. Please share this video. Paki-share po itong video nito. Welcome to the Daily Grind kung saan pag-uusapan natin ng market. Weekend. Oh, sorry about that. Iba yun ang pindot ko. Check. Mic. Okay ba ang mic? Kung saan, ayan. The Daily Grind kung saan we guide you in your journey to the stock market, not just in the Philippine stock market, but even in the international market. So if you have any questions, or if meron kayong mga friends na baguhan pa lang sa market, tag them, share this video, let your trading groups know that there's a program like this na pwede nyo pong mapagtanungan when it comes to the stock market. Diba? So good evening everyone. Magandang gabi po. Alright, let's go to the comments really quick. Ishi Marimat, good evening Sir Lloyd. Good evening po. Jairo C. Huko, good evening. Good hi Sir Lloyd. Hi po. Please share this video. Paki-share po. Alright, Rowena Saligan Villa, good evening. Good evening Ruel Dep. Sakit sa mata. Medyo ang layo kasi medyo maliit yung sulat. Zoom para mas lumaki yun. Much better. Ruel Deo Careza, good evening. Easy Quijano, alright, good evening Sir Lloyd. Pa-check po ng ETH. Right, sila Ethereum and sila crypto ngayon medyo nag-aano diba? Sideways na. Right, so Ethereum on the screen right now. Oh, hindi yan, ETH yan. Let me just load my chart layout really quick. ETH USD. Let's check Ethereum US dollars. And nag-breakout ngayon sa Ethereum. All-time high for Ethereum. My friends, these are very scary positions, right? If ever you were into Ethereum, mas magandang pumasok dito, wag sa taas, right? Marami namang entries na pinakita si Ethereum. Breakout dito. That was a good entry for Ethereum. Medyo umakat siya ngayon. So, good. All-time high siya ngayon, So, that's gonna be very good. Pero, RSI, my friends, are not looking well at this point. This is not a buy area. I don't buy breakouts on all-time highs. Simple as that. So, I don't like the position as of the moment. Okay? Let me just open. And chill tayo ng music muna. Alright, since podcast Thursday tayo ngayon, let's go for my lo-fi beats. Yan. Okay. So, Ethereum, maganda yung rally niya. Congratulations sa mga pumasok kay Ethereum. Noon pa, marami akong mga kakilala na pumasok kay Ethereum. These are very good entries right here on the dips. Buy on dips. Even si Bitcoin, BTC, USD. These are the dips of Bitcoin that you should be buying. Nagdi-dip ngayon si Bitcoin. Medyo bearish yung rally niya. But there's a possible support right here. It already bounced once here. If it reaches that point and stabilizes, that's the time you buy Bitcoin. Hindi dito sa taas. Okay? So, yeah. Matt Gallardo, good evening po Sir Lloyd. Pwede mo ba check si Cineworld and Airbnb? Alright, let's check these out. Alabas ba to dito? Let's check out eToro. Pro charts. Let me open Pro charts really quick. One moment. Hindi ko na paghandaan yung international market na chart natin. Yan, Pro charts, and may request tayo dito, di ba? Cineworld Group PLC, right? Ooh, good, looking well. Teka lang ha, kulit eh. This is challenging, right? Medyo challenging siya. There's a good support right here at this area. Where's my snipping tool? Ginagamit ko kasi si snipping tool. There's a bounce at this area. So, around this area, nagbabounce siya. Right? So, that's a support area right there. Starting to go up. Pero, overall, yung resistance niya pababa kasi. So, that's something that we wanna look out for also. If ever you can get in the support, that's gonna be your best entry, right? Right there, if makapasok kayo. Kasi medyo nakalipad na siya ngayon. You're nearing resistance levels. I would say, if it breaks out, then that's gonna be a very good sign. Any pullbacks from that breakout and bounce will be a good entry for CNL. Airbnb. Gamitin natin ito. Alright. Uy, si Airbnb support is holding may bounce kapon si Airbnb, confirming the support even further. I would say that's a buy, my friends. Test that support out for Airbnb. This is one of the stocks that will really, isa sa mga company, not just the stock, the company itself, who will be bouncing hard once tourism resumes in the world. Hindi lang sa isang country, but the world, right? Airbnb has markets all over the world. So, yun yung kagandahan ng Airbnb. Very strong company. Check it out. Airbnb, good find from Matt Gallardo. Lelgat Bundon, gonna be po Sir Lloyd. Dito on Converge po. You're into the telco. That's very good. Right, so dito, medyo stabilization at this point eh. At this point, this is gonna be your support. Ito tamad kasi maglinya eh. So, it's a battle between support and resistance. Yung mga nag-hold sa mga nagbebenta, there will come a point na malalaman natin sino mananalo. This is how the charts are talking to you. Right? There will be a point that there's a story right here. May mga nag-hold na ayaw magbenta at mayroon mga nagbebenta. May mga nagbebenta na ayaw na ibenta na mas mura. Right? May mga bumibili na ayaw rin bumili na mas mahal. Okay, so it's a stalemate right now. There will come a time na may mananalo sa dalawang side. Is it the bullish people or the bearish people? Right? If the bearish people, if the bulls win, meaning mas maraming bibili, then they should go up. Right? If people who are buying will give up on the prices, bilhin na lang namin to kahit na medyo mahal, okay lang yan. It will go up. Pero kung manalo naman ang mga nagbebenta, yung hindi na naiinip na, and kailangan nilang pera, kailangan ko na-ibenta ng stocks ko, baka bumagsak. We don't know for sure, but let's see sino magko-collapse una. I would say breakout lang muna bago kayo pumasok. Huwag niyo pong huhulaan ng market. Let the market do the talking. Okay? Jeric Limosnero, good evening sir. Good evening po. Magandang gabi Sir Lloyd. Magandang gabi rin. Michael Eugenio. Ayan, magandang gabi sa inyo. Ishi Marimat, International Sir FTCV and Zinerba. Alright. Puro pula pre. Pero umakyat siya kahit pula, diba? For FTCV. That support right there is gonna be your entry. Definitely. If mag-hit yan sa support na yan, That's your entry point. Medyo nag-hit na sa support noon eh. Medyo nagra-rally siya pero pula pa rin naman. So no hurry. Right, for FTCV. Right, Zinerba. Ooh, yan. Zinerba Pharmaceuticals. Laki ng growth dito kahapon eh. Laki ng tubo ko kay Zinerba. Wait and ask. Yeah. Watch your 15% for Zinerba. Good climb for Zinerba after hitting the supports right there. Ooh, good find. Zinerba, ZYNE. ZYNE. Chart. Right, so, in an instant, bawi agad ako. -4 na lang ang negative ko sa kanya. Hindi ako nakapag-average down. But anyways, that's gonna be okay. Ang gusto ko talaga is, I'm gonna be buying more if ever mag-start na ito mag-rally. But I have Zinerba. With the climb of Zinerba yesterday, I earned quite a bit from it. -4 na lang ang negative, almost 5% na lang ang negative ko. So that's good for Zinerba. Okay. Next naman po, Benedict, gabi Sir Idol, magandang gabi, good evening. Glyza Novero, ngayon lang po ulit nakasabay sa live, lagging replay. That's okay, Glyza, welcome to our show again. Albert Alvarez, Deljan Momay, good evening. Dale Landstark, good evening din. And Franz Paulo Kivillas, Dale Landstark, Sir Lloyd, pwede po bang ma-check si M-Wide and Dito? Salamat. We just covered Dito earlier. Let's cover, Let's cover M-Wide. Alright. I called M-Wide right here. And nagrarally na si M-Wide. I think it's starting to form a resistance at this point. Okay? Accumulation from that part, I would say breakout na lang for mega-wide bago nyo pasukin. Right? That's for M-Wide. Good evening po, Sir Lloyd. Pa-check po ng SPCE. Virgin Galactic Holdings. Ayan. Mukhang malapit na to Nag-engulfing pattern tayo ngayon So, here's a good support right here. I want it to really make a rally and bounce and create a support. Right? Medyo isang beses pa lang ito nagbabounce Engulfing pa lang, wala pa tayong further confirmation. From a downtrend, I don't like to trade it aggressively. I will want for it to create a support before I want to get in. Ito kay SPCE. So, that's what you do. Put it in your watcher, right? Matt Gallardo, good evening, Sir Lloyd. Pa-check po din ng Double Dragon. Right, Double Dragon, kamusta natin? Good evening dyan sa mga nanonood natin sa atin sa YouTube po. Jupite Mark Banaya, good evening. Alright, Double Dragon. Ooh, massive support for DD Massive support. Support. Ay, out. Alright, natawa ko sarili ko. Ano ba pinagsasabi ko? Alright, support right here for DD. Double Dragon right there. I would say aggressively, that's your support. I wanted to stop the downtrend muna, yung bearish signals niya. Let it break out and then confirm that support once again. That's gonna be a very good sign for you guys to if you want to get in. Alright, that's good. Let's move forward. Manny Ocampo, good evening. Ron Tabilas, good evening po. Sir Lloyd, good evening po. FTCV from Rerin 2, we covered that already. Katrina Garcia, thank you for tagging your friends. Fernando Royo, Sir Lloyd, good PM po. Pa-check po kay East, West, and Converge. Nga pala si Converge. Converge information. Converge ICT. Technically, and we covered this, was that yesterday? Nag-feel siya ng breakout. Let it break out before you wanna get in kay Converge, okay? Medyo walang volume yung unang mga attempts niya. That's why nag-feel yung breakout. When it breaks out, check out the volume. Kung maganda yung volume na breakout, then good. Medyo pricey na kasi si Converge di ba? So Converge. Tapos lang yan strictly for trading positions, short-term trading positions. I don't want you to go for long term, especially pag nandyan sa taas. Especially in this market. Okay, may ipit lang kayo dyan. East-West, EW. Oh, good find. Ganda na support ni East-West. The support is right here. Pero recent supports is right here, ha. Another green for East-West, I would say test it out. Okay? Why not? Gumaganda na yung position niya for East-West. Check out that support, my friends. Pag nag-green yan bukas, test it out, bilan nyo ng konti, tapos pag nag-rally na, you buy more because that's confirmation of the bottom already. Diba? So, that's where you put more money on it. Sir Lloyd MRC, no, hindi mo na yan. Jairo Ochavillo C. Huko, Bing Bayonano, and Jamia. BNGO. Alright, Bayonano. Just confirm the support right here. Okay? And 2 days na tayong rally for Bayonano. Medyo nakakatakot yung position niya. Overall, there is a downtrend line right there. Okay? Breakout, pullback, and bounce, or once again, if let it confirm another support, right, another confirmation for the support right here, that's gonna be the best entry for you guys, right? Medyo aggressive yung entry for Bayonano, pero ang ganda ng rally ni Bayonano kahapon eh. Tingnan nga natin, 9.85% on this stock yesterday. So, I am into Bayonano also. So, that's good if ever mag-rally siya. Okay? Jamia. Nga pala, time check, it's 8:19. Hanggang 8:45 lang tayo available ngayon. Jamia, right? Short lang naman tayo since it's podcast Thursday lang naman. Oh, yun. Jamia is nag-bounce ng maganda sa Jamia, and it's an engulfing pattern for our buddy right here. That's an engulfing pattern for Jamia. Alright, what you really want to do is really wait for Jamia. Mukhang okay na to, but confirmation will be a breakout from that downtrend line right here for Jamia. Pag nag-breakout yan sa downtrend line niya, or even the MA20, pag nag-breakout yan sa MA20, that's gonna be an entry, or if it pulls back and confirms the support, that's gonna be your entry for Jamia. Pero stick trading to nakalipad rin tong stock na ito. Janer Dianyo, kamusta bro? Sir Lloyd MRC po. Let's check out MRC. Yun. Kasama ba si MRC sa mga fina-follow ko noon? Hindi. Alright, MRC, good rally for the guy. Nagpo-pullback na po siya. There's a clear uptrend line right here, or you can use the MA20 as your support. Abangan nyo po ang bounce ni MRC. Right? That's a good thing. This is a good position that you're looking at, guys. Ha? Ang ganda na position ni MRC. Ganda na support na ito. Pataas ang yung momentum niya. While the support was going down, going sideways, meron tayong momentum sa supports. Right? So, this is a very healthy position, and nagsisimula na siya mag-rally. Pullback, next bounce for MRC is gonna be very good entry. Okay, good find, Janer. Run naman from RG Pedrosa. I'm sorry. Oh. Asan na yan? Yan. Ooh, Sunrun. We talked about Sunrun yesterday. Di ba buy na natin to? This support right here is already a very good position. Nakita niyo naman yan. We already called this one. This one is a buy. Magkano yung kinita nyo kahapon if pinasok nyo ito kahapon? 8% rally for Sunrun yesterday. Hopefully, napasok nyo na ito on this support. Congratulations. If hindi pa, medyo malakas na yung rally niya. Best is if ever mag-pullback pa to and bounce, but actually okay na to eh. Pasukin nyo na po yan. Maganda yung volume lately on the green sides. Makita nyo po the volume right here, pero these late bounces, medyo umaakit na yung volume, nagsispike na yung volume. I would say yes, this is already a buy, Siran. Good find from RJ Pedrosa. We've been covering that for the past few days already. I'd say C naman. Chelsea Logistics. Alright, we called this a buy already also. Okay na to, guys. Look at the RSI. Ang RSI kasi is your momentum indicator. Ito nung nasa baba nito, it's called Relative Strength Index, right? We usually call this, pag nasa baba is oversold, na sobrahan ng pagbenta. And whenever that happens, that the prices tend to be very cheap and nag-rally siya after that. Now, at this point, nag-reach naman siya ng oversold na levels. And now, even if the prices are going sideways, momentum this time is starting to go up to the buying side. Pag lumagpas na ito sa pula, that means it's overbought. But buying is going up, going up. Pag nag-reach sa taas, nasobra ng buying. That's overbought levels. Bumabagsak after that. But here, momentum is going up while prices are sideways. That's a bullish signal. Guys, buy nyo na to. I would say buy that. Right, Dana Marie, good evening, Sir Lloyd. Globe po, sana when is the good time to add additional for my dividends position po. Whenever Globe, if you're going for dividends for Globe, just buy it whenever it is cheap. Like right now, pandemic levels right here. So yeah, we're reaching pandemic levels already. I would say mukhang parali na ito. Actually, while mababa pa siya, mukhang magre-reverse na ito So, I would say, yes, buy this already if you're in it for, if you're in Globe for dividends. Right, this is a very good dip for you. That will be very good for your dividend counts, right? So, Globe, that's a buy for you, especially if ever you're after the dividends. From Dana Marie. Ishi Marimat, di po updated sa Instagrams yung FTCV po. Alright, let's check out FTCV. Dito naman sa Fintech Acquisitions Corp. Andito dito. Uy! Nag-bounce na. Alright. I would say yes. Buy, man. Buy it. There's the support right there. Test it out. For long term, meron pa nga meron pa nga mga tao na looking for long term for FTCV. This is a good time to buy it, man. I would say yes. Go ahead, buy FTCB. 𝐴𝑠𝑥c, boss, please. All right. Let's check it out. This is from Mary Jean. Jean or John? John. Right? FTC. 𝐴𝑠𝑥c. Ascensus Surgical Incorporated. Kati ng kamay ko. 𝐴𝑠𝑥c. Okay, I want to look at this sa Instagrams ko lang titignan kasi dito yung mga charting ko 𝐴𝑠𝑥c, downtrend pa, right? Don't go against the trend, downtrend pa naman siya, meaning hindi pa siya tinitingnan gaano ng mga investors. So just wait for it. Dale Landstar, good evening, Sir Lloyd. Pa-check po si M-Wide and PHA. We covered M-Wide already. PHA naman po. Tanggalin ko lang ito kasi nakalito We've been covering PHA before. Sabi natin, pag nag-breakout yan, then that's gonna be good. Nag-breakout na siya. At the breakout levels, I would say, man, there is a resistance right here. So, pag nag-breakout na lang yan, saka nyo pasukin si PHA. Meg at FNI, sir. Let's check out Meg. Boom. Okay? Si Meg, nag-collapse ang support ni Meg. Maybe because of the annual earnings for 2020 na report. But nag-collapse sa mga pumasok sa support dito, may konting rally kaso nga lang malas. After that one, wala na. So let's just wait for Meg to come back up. Downturn pa siya ngayon, napakalakas ng momentum on the downside. We'll just have to wait. Okay? FNI. Yun. Nagpo-pull back si FNI, guys. Pag nag-green yan, that's gonna be a buy. Use the MA20 as your support. Hindi kasi porket sinabi ko na buy yan, mag-green yan. No. Right? I'm saying it's a buy because it has a good it has a good trend, uptrend po siya. And the position right now is sitting on the uptrend line. I would say the MA20. Kaya buy siya kasi you have the trend. Maganda na yung pullback niya. And it's very near our support. Pag nag-bounce yan, that is usually the support. And then, low risk siya. That's why I'm saying buy. Hindi ko po sinasabi na mag-green yan. Most probably, it will go green. But it is the lowest risk position as of the moment. That's why I want to buy it if ever gusto nyo mag-trade ng FNI. Okay? That's how you trade. Hindi natin pinapangunahan ng market. It's just that we have parameters to check. Risk-wise, pinakamalaki. So, it's at a very low-risk position since nasa support siya. And then, it has a good trend. So, we're buying it at the pullback from the trend. Jet Michael, good evening, sir. DVA naman po. Ganda. Nag-breakout. Nag-pullback. Nag-bounce ulit sa breakout. That was supposed to be a buy. And nag-green na naman yan sa DVA. Still a buy for me, I would say. Okay pa yan. Okay. Magandang gabi po, sir, from abroad. Pa-check naman po si Netflix. This is from DM Espiritu Plaida. Alright, good evening po. Alright, let's check out Netflix. Ooh. I think dividends to. I'm not really sure what happened for Netflix. Pero nag-drop si Netflix, ha. But the support is right here. There's a massive buy from that support. Ano nangyari dito? That's the biggest question. What happened? Why did it go? Hindi ako nagfo-follow kasi ng Netflix ngayon, eh. Na stock, eh. Why did it gap down? Bakit nag-gap down siya? If okay lang naman yung rason, then this is a support area right here. There's a massive volume at that support area. I would say yes. Diba? Kung maganda yung rason, bakit nag-gap down siya. Please check out bakit nag-gap down siya muna. If pangit, maybe earnings, ganito, ganyan. So, I would avoid that. Jamia and plug po. We covered Jamia already. This is from Jet Michael. We'll review Jamia. That's all. We'll wait. Mas maganda if mag-wait kayo ng breakout ni Jamia. Plug. Plug power. Nga pala, guys, before we continue, right? Want to plug this. So, talking about plugs. Stocks Ed po. We want to thank my group here in Stocks Ed for making the daily grind possible. Diba? So please check out Stocks Ed, stocksed.com. Meron kami mga free courses dyan. It's an educational website where we give you courses po para finances po ninyo, especially in the stock market. Stocks Ed, go to stocksed.com. Take our free courses right there. Meron kami free courses if you wanna up, if magustuhan nyo po yung lessons natin, and if you wanna up your lessons, your learnings, kunin nyo po yung premium courses natin. Use this code right here, PAM 𝐿Bazaar, so that you can get a discount on our premium courses. Now, yung seminars ko naman po, the Trading Masterclass with Lloyd Bazaar, kung saan I teach you everything I do from the preparation to your journaling, etc. And then execution, paano bumili, paano mag-exit, paano mag stop loss, etc. Lahat po on how I do my trades. You can get access to that. Go to patreon.com/𝐿Bazaar, right? Pwede po kayo mag-donate sa akin for my causes right now, yung mga tinutulungan natin mga kabataan. Nga pala, marami na kasing tumulong sa atin, eh, right? So I want to share to you guys yung development ng mga tinutulungan natin mga kabataan, right? Right, so I'm now adopting a team. Ito yung mga talented na mga nakita ko mga kabataan na tinutulungan ko. Pinapastay ko sila dito sa bahay ngayon. This is where they train, they prepare for the upcoming tournaments. But yeah, yung mga binibigay yung tulong sa akin, yun po yung kinakain nila. Panggastos ko, additional panggastos ko sa mga kabataan na ito, mga tinutulungan ko ngayon dito sa Cebu. So, yep, if you wanna help for my cause, andyan po sa Patreon, nasa patreon.com, you can help me there. If ever magbibigay po kayo ng mas malaking amount to help me, I'm gonna give you something in return. Yung access po sa lahat ng mga seminars ko, bibigay ko rin po sa inyo. Check out patreon.com/lbazaar. Right? Ginagawa ko kasi ngayon is, I really want to influence the youth muna. Right? I wanna spread my influence sa mga kabataan natin ngayon. Once we're already successful there, then we will slowly guide our youth to financial literacy. Kasi for me, talaga, Filipinos are hardworking. Pero bakit mahirap? Marami pa rin mahirap. It's because educational factor, isang factor po yun. So this is my way of reaching out to the youth kasi para ma-influence natin sila for financial literacy. Right? Kung alam na nila tas wala pa rin, then that means ibang factors na yun. Most probably, wala talagang disiplina with money, etc. Maraming factors but at the very least, matanggal natin yung educational factor for financial literacy. Anyways, yan. So, let's go back sa plug naman. Yan. Plug, mukhang okay na. Nagsa-sideways na yung RSI niya. So, it's stabilizing at this point right here. Okay? Aggressively, I would say yes, pero my God, guys, downtrend yan Konting ingat. What do you call this? A much more conservative approach will be a breakout, and then if ever it confirms that support right there, that's gonna be a good entry point. This is a very good find si plug na ito. So, congratulations. I like this find. Jet Michael. Guitar God, good evening po, Sir Lloyd, and everyone, good evening po. Lods from John Paul Urikia. Very unique last name, man. Urikia. Right, Lods ACEX. Let's check out ACEX. Oh, no. Downtrend pa sa ACEX, man. Nag-break ng support dito. Touch, very massive drop for ACEX. I would say, let it drop muna before we want to check it out in the future. Sir Lloyd, Coinbase, please. Merong bad news si Coinbase, so konting ingat muna. Ano ba yung coin, di ba? May bad news si Coinbase It's facing scrutiny sa sa ibang mga regulators. So, medyo challenging si Coinbase ngayon. I will want to avoid it for now. I really want it to stabilize first before I want to get into Coinbase. ECX Giano, INPX, and Tattooed Chef po, Sir Lloyd. In Pixon. Alright, in Pixon. Alright. Ganda Like this find right here. I would say this is a buy, man. Test out the support for Inpixon. Right? As long as if this company is a solid company, fundamentally good company, we talked about fundamentals past few days. If this is a fundamentally good company, technical analysis is telling us that it's at support and it's confirming the support. I would say that's a buy, man. Tattooed Chef naman. I don't know the code for Tattooed Chef. TTCF, or Tattooed Chef Incorporated. Engulfing. I don't know what caused the spike right here, pero nag-gap up, nag-green naman siya, nag-gap up the next day. But man, this is volatility I don't like, especially on the downside. We'll want this to stabilize po muna before I want to get in for Tattooed Chef, if you really want to get into the stock. MDB from CJO AU, right? MDB. Mike Alma, we covered MRC already. Let's check it out again later on. Oy, mukhang maganda. Right, Head and Shoulders right here, MA20. Sa MA20 right now, I would say that is a buy, my friend. Mongod B. Not familiar with the company, I should tell you honestly. Pero this is already a reversal signal right here, my friend. And it's starting to rally already. I would say that's a buy already, man. Good buy na yan. As long as this is a good company, man, MDB is a good buy for me. MRC from my Kalma. Alright. Pullback. Susunod na bounce kay MRC. Pasukin natin. RJ Pedrosa. Sumo, sir. SUMO. Alright, Sumo. Kamustahin natin yung Sumo. Katay talaga ng kamay ko. Taka lang ha. Uy, ganda. Buy. Sumo Logic. I would say it's a buy already, man. Look at this sideways support right here, but the RSI spikes are already there. I would say it's a buy already, especially if ever fundamentally good company ito. Nasdaq, this is a good buy for me. Good find. RJ Pedrosa. BA po. Rerin to 1. BA. Downtrend pa. Right. For Boeing. May support dito. Kaso nga lang, momentum is at the downside. Nag-close sa Bollinger Band sa baba. That's heavy on the downside. I would not recommend that as of the moment. J. Constantino. Good evening, Sir Lloyd. Nag-copy trade pa po ba kayo, sir, till now? If yes, ano po ba strategy nyo sa copy trade? Hindi po ako nagka-copy trade ngayon. What I do is, I'm letting people copy me instead. Nagpapa-copy trade ako. Meron akong notification dito. Right, so, nagpapa-copy trade po ako ngayon. Right? Dapat po ba mag-copy pag mababa yung prices? Actually, yes, that's the best time to copy if mababa yung prices. But man, just copy the person that you're copying right now. Right? Maybe in the first month, may adjustments pa yan. Baka mag-negative kayo. That's okay. But, dapat kasi pag copy trading, hassle-free na eh. If the person you're copying is still holding that asset, technically, he still thinks that it is still gonna go up. So, I would say, yes, just copy him. Maybe may discrepancy kayo on the first month, but on the second month, yung growth ninyo, sasabay na yan. So, don't worry about it too much. Pero, yeah, technically speaking, if you have that time, if you have the luxury of really scrutinizing the positions, mas maganda talaga if mababa. Right now, my positions are low. And it's gonna be a very good time to copy me if you wanna copy trade. From J. Constantino. Very good question, man. Eddie Yed, good evening, Sir Lloyd. Good evening po. Dito, sir, from Shogun. Pag nag-breakout lang si Dito, guys, pwede na siyang bilhin. Because it's a stalemate right now. Hindi pa alam ng market sino susundin. Pag nag-breakout yan, definitely, it will attract investors. Marami papasok naman dyan. Di updated po some of the US stocks sa Investa like ASXC po. Nga eh. Sir Lloyd, ASEN at Tech po. Thanks from Espres Sanyagan. Right, ASEN and Tech po. ASEN. Right, ASEN, scary. But it's not a support right now. Pero massive pula for ASEN, guys. At yung sinasabi ko, nakalipad na eh. Kahit nag-breakout, hindi nagtutuloy-tuloy eh. Kasi nakalipad na nga. Yan. It happened already once, failed. Maganda naman yung niya. Happened again, right here. I think it's gonna be failing. I just don't like ASEN right now. Not as a company. Company-wise, ASEN is very good. It's just that, look at this, man. It's already very expensive. Nasa tuk-tuk tayo naglalaro. That's not my kind of trading. So, that's why I'm against it right now. Okay? So, but, yeah. Lower high spray. Ay, baka bumagsak pa yan. Tech naman po. This is from S-Pre pa rin. Sirtech. Kamusta natin Sirtech? Woo! Okay na to, guys. Sirtech. This is the support. Dati, buy na yan dyan. Bumalik na naman tayo sa area na yan. It's gonna be dream come true if ever bumalik talaga sa napaka-support niya. But that's already a good area to buy Sirtech. Good find for Sirtech. Laura, Napa, MBT, and MER po, Sir Lloyd. Let's check out MBT and MER. Metro Bank. Time check, it's 8:42. MBT. I'm gonna be checking out YouTube mamaya. Yung mga nanonood sa YouTube, last lang itong MBT, right? MBT downtrend was right here. Nag-breakout na po siya. I would say yes. MBT is a buy already. You can start buying MBT already. Mukhang tapos na yung downtrend niya. Right? That's for MBT. Let me go to, pasensya na, wala na akong babasahin sa Facebook ngayon. I'm gonna go to our viewers on YouTube. JBG, good evening per Sir Lord. RRHI and Apo. Bibilisan na natin. RRHI, kamusta natin si RRHI? Up, 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 up. Lakas ng hatak pababa ni RRHI. There's a good support right here. Medyo okay naman. Mas medyo healthy naman ang support niya. Medyo healthy naman support niya. Pero I don't know what happened right this. I think the earnings ito, negative 23. Yun yung nagpabigat sa kanya. I will want this to break out from that downtrend line and confirm the support more before I want to say RHA is good. Si Apo naman, no, not AP, Apo, APO. Alright. Buy na. Pag nag-green yan bukas, bilhin nyo na yan. Right? If ever mag-fail yan, MA20 yung last ditch natin. Apo. Lawrence, good morning, good evening. All right, Evan G, streamer data new listing, bet buy thumb. Pizza. Check out pizza. Let it break out before you want to get in. Let it break out before you want to get in pizza. Jeric Limosnero, good evening Sir Lloyd. Pa-check naman po ng 2Go. Kamustahin na natin si 2Go. Ay. Ganda. Massive support for 2Go right here. Pag nag-ano yan, earnings, ay, sakit ng earnings niya. Nakakatakot yung earnings mga pre for 2020. I will not trade that. Right now, if you ask me, I don't want to trade that. Why? Fundamentals, not fundamentally good. Jason Constantino, good evening po sir. Nagka-copy trade pa din po ba kayo till now? Yes, nabasa ko to kanina. Alright, so Jason Constantino. Alvin Roncale, status tuloy. Tesla Incorporated. Buy. Nag-pullback na, nagbabounce na. Kahapon pa to eh. Sinabi ko sa inyo, buy na to eh, diba? Tapos lakas ng rally kahapon. So, dapat binili na ng kahapon. Hindi pa naman uli ang lahat. Pwede pa yan. Hindi pa naman gaano kalakihan yung ano talaga. Yung rally niya talaga. WMT naman. WMT, use the trend line, my friends. Should you want to get in? Okay yung trend line niya. I would say that's good. GG Me Harris, Sir Lloyd PX pala. Please. Right. Nag-drop yung earnings pala ni Netflix kaya bumagsak. Alright. So I wanna stay away from that because it's gonna be volatile because of that. Look at that MA20 bounce right there. Di siya perfect net MA20 pero nag-bounce siya agad dun eh. So that's a very good pullback from di PX yun eh. Di PLX. PLX Mining. Ganda na support. Rally. Very volatile right now kaya hirap hulihin ng pullback niya. Use your Fibonacci retracement should you wanna get into this asset right here. Maybe 0.5. Right? Sa 0.5 nyo hulihin for PX. Right? Sir Lloyd, next lesson naman po sa sector rotation. Sige. Let's talk about that. That's a very good topic. Right? Sa mga sector, meron kasi mga seasonal, ganito, ganyan. So let's talk about that in the future. Right? Next week. Promise ko po yan. Okay? Gonna invite someone to talk about that. Alvin Roncale, hindi po nakasabay kahapon. Thank you, Lods. You're welcome. Alvin Roncale, pwede po ba humabol sa Tesla? Pwede pa, okay pa yan. Sa long term, pwede. Sabi ni Alvin. Anyways, yan. Sabi ka sa inyo kahapon, pasukin niyo rin sa Tesla. Nag-rally na tuloy. Anyways, that's gonna be it for me this evening. That's all the time we have available. Catch us again tomorrow sa Daily Grind. Again, StocksEd. I want to thank StocksEd a lot. StocksEd.com po. Punta po kayo doon. May lessons na sa libre. Take it. That's a very good foundation. Yung mga lessons namin linibre sa inyo, pang foundation yan sa stock market knowledge ninyo. Take it, guys. StocksEd.com. And then may mga premium courses dyan. Use this code. Should you want to get it, you get a discount. And if you want to get access to my webinars, yung recordings po, you want to learn how I trade step by step, patreon.com/elbazar. Ang dami doon. It's gonna be very fruitful for you. That's gonna be it for me this evening. Pasensya na if hindi ko po masagot lahat. But man, ang dami nating lessons this evening natutunan. That's gonna be it. I'll see you tomorrow. As always, let's get rich together. Bye everyone.